this course, we will see in detail the different types of duplex communication. The term duplex is used to describe a communication channel that can carry signals in both directions, unlike a simplex channel, which carries a signal only in one direction. There are two types of duplexes that are used for communications on an Ethernet network: the half-duplex and the full-duplex. Half-duplex communication is a one-way flow of data, which means that data can only work in one direction at a time. Data is not sent and received at the same time. It's similar to communicating with walkie-talkies, where only one person can speak at a time. Since data can flow only in one direction, each device in a half-duplex system must constantly wait its turn to transmit data. This causes performance problems. Rather, it is the old hardware, such as the hubs, that operate in half-duplexes. In this mode, if one periphery transmits at the same time as another, then a collision occurs. To overcome this problem, there is a feature called CCNA CD. This reduces the risk of collisions, as it will block PCs that are problematic for a random period before they can retransmit. And the full-duplex. It is like a telephone communication, because each person can speak and hear what the other person is saying simultaneously. The data flow is therefore two-way. The data can be sent and received at the same time. Most of the network cards that are sold today are full-duplex. If two devices at each end are in full-duplex, then the method to limit collisions, the CCNA CD, will be deactivated. Now let's see how it's set up. The duplex control allows you to configure either half-duplex, or full-duplex, or auto. The auto option defines a self-negotiation between the two ends. The image shows the example of a duplex and speed configuration on the fast Ethernet interfaces of both switches. To avoid incompatibility issues, each end must be configured identically. In this example, fast Ethernet 05 and 03 ports. Those that are connected directly to a PC are configured in full duplex with a speed of 100 mega. And the ports between the two switches are in auto mode for duplexes and speed. In this way, the switches will automatically negotiate these two parameters. And finally, the control show interface. In privilege mode, it allows you to check the duplex settings on each switch. This command displays stats and states on the switch interfaces.